Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over how to replace your dome light in your GLA250. This GLA250 of 2017. We've got this dome light right here to replace. And to replace this dome light, you're going to have to pull these covers down. These are just some plastic covers. And they're also part of the clamp that holds it in here. Okay, and then there's a metal clamp in here. Got to just kind of squeeze it and pull on that side a little bit. Same thing with that side. Then once you've got this down here, then just undo the electric. Okay, and then you're going to pop the two sides. So you pop these clips to pull this piece out. And then once you pull this piece out, then you got to get to the light bulb back here. And what you need to do is find, when you push this button, you know that this is the side that you need to have access to because it's got a larger tab. So what you do is just screwdriver in there and push it toward the back. And that way you get the cover to come undone. With that cover undone, you can just wiggle out the light bulb and then you can get a new one to put in it. This is a 5W5, very common light bulb on this vehicle. You know, then you take a new one, press it into place, take your cover, these tabs, one's larger than the other, put the larger one to the back side and this one on this side where the button is to turn it on and off. Okay, then hook it back up to there, and then you got to hook it back to your piece here. Get it the right way. And this also has a tab that you're going to push it into and then just snap it into place. Now these tabs, if you just squeeze them by hand, these metal tabs, you can pull them out. And with them pulled, then you take them and put them back in. And you can just press them in, and then that's locked into place. Do the same with this one. Okay. And then just take your plastic cover pieces, get them oriented in the way, and then just push it in. And that's your final lock up there. And that's how you replace your dome light and the rear dome light in your Mercedes GLA 250. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.